Hello friends, welcome back to Ching's kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Ching's Schezwan instant noodles. Very delicious and a spicy breakfast recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add 1 teaspoon of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add 1 onion thinly sliced and 1 tablespoon of grated carrot. Saute it for a few seconds. Then to this add 1.5 cups of water. Give it a quick mix and allow it to come to a boil. Once it starts to boil, add the taste maker that comes along with the Chings Schezwan instant noodles pack. Mix it well. Then to this add the noodles cake and mix it well in medium flame. You can either break it and add or add it as such. It's been 1 minute and the noodles is half cooked. Let's cook for 1 more minute. Now the water is almost reduced. Cook until the water completely reduces and the noodles is well cooked. Now after 2 minutes the noodles is well cooked and ready, so off the flame and sprinkle some spring onions on top. Now our delicious and spicy Ching's Schezwan instant noodles is ready. Serve it nice and hot and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and an instant recipe, so do try this Ching's Schezwan instant noodles recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Let's check out how to make chili corn noodles. This is a very famous Italian dish. Today let's check out this recipe with our traditional touch added to it. Very easy to make. Let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add 1 teaspoon of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add 1 onion finely chopped and 1 green chilli chopped. Saute it well for a few seconds. Then to this add half cup of boiled sweet corn. Mix it well for a minute. Then add a pinch of salt and the Maggi taste maker that comes along with the Maggi packet. Mix it well until you get a nice aroma. Now the masala is well done, so go ahead and add 1.5 cups of water. Give it a quick mix. Allow this to come to a boil. Now it's nicely boiling, so add the Maggi slab. You can break it into pieces and add or add it as such. Mix it well for 2 minutes. After 1 minute, the noodles is half done. Cook for 1 more minute. It's almost done now. The final consistency is totally optional. If you like it a little soupy, you can off the flame accordingly. Now the Maggi is perfectly done, so off the flame. Now our delicious chili corn noodles is ready. Serve it nice and hot and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and an instant recipe. So do try this chili corn noodles recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Ching's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Ching's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.